saying is sometimes we just have to try. Bite the bullet, have the guts to say we can also do it. Please amplify your place. Please amplify your identity. We have micro-identities in all places of the Philippines. Micro-identities, but when you zoom out, these pixels of micro-identities, you zoom out and it's the modern Philippines. Excited to show you what we all can do together in the entire country, in the entire Philippines. No? This is UAP National. So basically, let's reimagine the Philippines. And this is just one example of what we can do as a group.
And this is a very example of what Christian envisioned. Kaya I'm very, very thankful, Architect Royal. Nag-goosebumps ako, but this comes from the heart really. Thank you.